Hello, PPLSI family. Chris Ford coming to you from Denver, Colorado, in 3 minutes or less, here to share with you the 5-step recruiting process and using the baseball diamond analogy. So first thing is, I want to walk you through the 5-step process really quick so you're familiar with the sales cycle within PPLSI. So I'd like to thank Patrice Robinson, one of our top leaders out of the Canada marketplace, for putting together this simple graphic to display how it is that we use the baseball diamond to explain the sales process. And so, as I told you, it's a 5-step process, and we're going to start at the home plate. That's really just stepping up to approach and pique interest. Now, getting to first base is sharing that third-party tool, and that is really is any collateral that's outside of yourself. So a flip chart during a sit down, sharing a video link that they can watch. If they have a DVD, sharing a DVD, or using one of our pre-recorded calls. Anything, again, beside yourself, that's our first base. Moving to second base, you want to edify your expert as you follow up with them and schedule a call with an expert or part of your upline support team. Now, your upline support team's only going to ask, or that expert is only going to answer about 3 questions with them, and then really just take the pulse and find out where they're at in level of interest. So they may ask questions like, hey, what did you like best about what you saw? What is your interest level on a scale of 1 to 10 about our membership or the business opportunity? Now, allow the expert to address any objections that the person may have and answer any questions, but then the expert's going to invite them out to a live event. Now, it's going to be the next live event, so that whether that be in person or one of our live Zooms, but a person may be interested, just have some additional questions. So the expert's going to invite him out through a live event. That's going to be your third base, is your live presentation. As I mentioned earlier, that if somebody has made it around the second base and they've seen a full overview and they make it to the third plate, that's probably they're just coming for the social proof. They're looking more for confirmation than they are for information. Then the expert's going to take their pulse again, get any final questions that they have, and then help them get started. Then we're going to plug them into the same system that you got plugged in. And that's how you get back for your home run, is once you get them plugged in, paid, and promoted. Don't forget to use the corporate approved third-party tools. You want to make this as duplicatable a process as can be. I hope that you like what you saw here. I hope that you'll like and subscribe to my channel, share this with your team. And I look forward to sharing more information about how you can build your PPLSI business in 3 minutes or less. This is Chris Ward from Denver, Colorado, signing off.